That's loud.
That's loud. Yep, it's loud.
That's loud.
Loud. That's only quarters away.
And that is very loud.
Loud. Yep.
So, are we turning it down?
I told you. Oh, you had
Once the speakers break in, can we turn it down
for 3 days. No, we're gonna turn it up.
Yeah. Plus my windows.
Got an XTS 2016. I'm gonna be installing 4-gauge kicker CXA 800.1. So I made a ground right here. I'm gonna put the bolt on it, and I'm gonna run the speaker wire from here, and I'm gonna see how it sounds. I'm gonna try 2 different things today. Here's a subwoofer. I just unplugged it right here, and I'm gonna see the sound different on this too. And then I'm gonna show you how to bypass an ANC. And so right here, I'm just gonna tighten it up so it won't loose. This is a real good ground because I'm trying to make it sound really good. So I use a I think this is T40. Yeah, T40, removing 2 T right there, Torx from this one and then this one. Then remove it, the plastic out, and then coming over here, you're gonna bypass ANC by pull it like so on the top, the first one, and cut that purple and blue right there. And you can see that that's only purple and blue. Let me see, I just want to tell you. Yep, that's the only purple and blue there is. So it's on the top, very top one at the amplifier. Now if you have a Bose amp, if you don't have a Bose amp, there's another way to do it. So for the rear left, so basically behind the driver's seat, there's speakers right here that go here. You got green is positive, then green black is negative. So we're gonna put this thing back. So basically the green will hook it up to the red, so it's gonna be hooking up to the white and gray. And then the black is going to be negative, which would be green black. We're going to hook it up to white gray, gray black. We're using a Cadillac 2 kicker right here. Shouldn't be upside down, but it is kickers. So you got the remotes go in the middle right here, and then you got the ground that's going to feed with right here, and then you got the power source. And then now we got positive, positive, negative, negative. This is a mono, so you can literally put 2 positive right here, which is 2 red, 2 black at the end over here. It's still the same, so but we just kind of make it look a little bit more interesting, more nicer looking. So basically we ran the RCA jack back over here. It's gonna go to the input of this amp right there, and then everything else will go to the speakers. What happened is this gonna sound better over here. You got I disconnect this speaker right there, the subwoofer. So green black would be negative, and the other color I couldn't remember exactly what I think it's pink and purple. But you know that green black is negative, so which is I ran it down there, going down and coming back here. This blue wire right here. So the blue will go to positive, and then the brown will go to negative. So however you want to do it, you do it your way. You can use any other color as long as you got the green black to the negative, and then you're good. Now just hide the wire and call the customer up.